Working on photo projects with BlazePhoto and dealing with BPP project files. These contain photo organization and editing projects from the photo management application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these BlazePhoto project files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any BPP file. Let's try the simple solutions first. A BPP by BlazePhoto, a photo editing and management application. Users encounter this file when they save their work, which includes edits, layers, and references to the original images. The primary user intent is to reopen the project to continue editing or export the final image. The BPP format is a proprietary binary container. It stores project-specific metadata, including image paths, edit history, layer information, and applied effects. This design allows the software to non-destructively manage edits, enabling users to revert changes or modify individual layers without altering the original source photos until final export. The source application for BPP is frequently listed as BlazePhoto from BlazeVideo Inc. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows shows basic previews for common types, while detailed editing needs design applications. Your key action: right-click the BPP file and select Open With. If BlazePhoto is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BPP file opens successfully. If your BPP file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in BlazePhoto. Launch BlazePhoto and use File. Then, open to load the BPP project file. The application displays the photo project with all referenced images, organized albums, and applied edits. Continue working on the project, modifying selections, edits, or layouts, then save back to BPP format or export final results to video formats for slideshow presentations. Next, exporting photos. Export edited photos from BlazePhoto projects to standard image formats like JPG or PNG. Use the export function selecting target format, quality, and destination folder. Exported photos preserve applied edits as flattened images compatible with any image viewer or editor, enabling sharing and printing without requiring BlazePhoto installation. Finally, migrating to alternative software. For ongoing photo management, consider alternatives like Adobe Lightroom, ON1 Photo Raw, or open source Darktable, which provide comparable or superior features. Export photos and notes from BlazePhoto, then import into the alternative tool. Manual recreation of project organization may be needed since automated migration between proprietary formats is limited. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.